A resident captured the moment of ice drifting on the Yenisei River in Dudinka, Russia, on May 17th. This year's ice melt is reported to be half a month earlier than usual. Massive ice blocks crashed into the shore, dislodging layers of soil and rock. It seemed that nothing could stop their force. If you found this moment impressive, don't forget to like the video. The terrifying moment of the flood, captured by a local resident in a small village in Iran, left everyone holding their breath. The raging floodwaters swept away everything in their path with immense force. This tiny village will undoubtedly need a long time to recover from the devastating aftermath of the flood. A powerful tornado swept through Zierikzee, Netherlands on June 27th, captured on camera. The devastating tornado hurled everything into the air. Sails were torn to shreds, rooftops were lifted into the sky along with debris from the surroundings. The scene was chaotic and unbelievable. Leave a comment if this is the most recent time you've seen it. A group of friends was sitting in a house in Mansfield at Pontefract, Pontiac Regional County, Canada, when they suddenly witnessed a once-in-a-lifetime moment. A terrifying bolt of lightning struck a tree right in front of them, splitting it in half in an instant. It was truly a frightening and unforgettable moment. Residents accidentally captured the terrifying landslide in Nariño, Colombia. Small cracks began to appear on the road, gradually widening and deepening until a large section of the ground suddenly gave way, as if the earth had been swallowed. Fortunately, no vehicles were passing by at that moment. Thank you for watching the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos.